YouTube Shorts offer quick, engaging content ideal for capturing attention and driving immediate engagement. In contrast, long-form videos provide depth, allowing for detailed storytelling and comprehensive information sharing. Mastering both formats is crucial for a balanced marketing strategy, catering to diverse audience preferences and maximizing reach and impact in 2025. YouTube offers two primary content formats: Shorts and long-form videos. Shorts are quick, engaging, and ideal for capturing attention rapidly, while long-form content allows for in-depth storytelling and audience engagement. Each format serves unique marketing purposes, from brand awareness to detailed product demonstrations, making it crucial to tailor your strategy accordingly. YouTube Shorts are vertical videos up to 60 seconds, optimized for mobile viewing. They benefit from a dedicated Shorts feed, enhancing algorithmic promotion for visibility. This format is perfect for rapid audience growth, brand awareness, and achieving viral reach quickly, making it a powerful tool in your marketing strategy. Long-form content consists of videos typically 10 minutes or longer, offering comprehensive topic coverage with detailed explanations. Optimized for desktop and television, these horizontal videos are structured with chapters and timestamps. They include in-depth tutorials, case studies, and storytelling, building trust and authority while fostering strong audience relationships through valuable content delivery. Shorts offer a fast scroll feed, promoting quick consumption, whereas long-form content provides an immersive experience on the traditional watch page. This format includes recommendations and engagement features, enhancing viewer interaction and retention. Both formats cater to different viewing preferences, balancing quick engagement with in-depth exploration. In 2025, a balanced content strategy on YouTube is essential. Shorts offer rapid engagement and massive reach, while long-form videos provide depth and sustained viewer interaction. Together, they maximize audience reach, enhance engagement, and boost revenue. Both formats are crucial for a comprehensive strategy in the evolving digital landscape. YouTube Shorts, with 70 billion daily views, offers unparalleled reach. In 2025, $111 billion is projected for ad investment in short-form content. With an 8-second hook window, Shorts excel in brand awareness through rapid exposure and shareability. They also benefit from lower production costs, faster creation, and easy repurposing, making them a strategic asset. Long-form videos, exceeding 10 minutes, excel in engagement, attracting viewers seeking in-depth content. They boast 34% higher conversion rates, as committed viewers are more likely to act. Revenue is optimized through multiple mid-roll ads and premium sponsorships. Additionally, these videos offer long-term search engine optimization benefits, maintaining search rankings and driving sustained organic traffic. Analysis of 2025 viewing behavior highlights engagement spikes in 1 to 3 minute videos, ideal for capturing quick attention. However, videos over 10 minutes see increased loyalty and completion rates, indicating deeper viewer commitment. This data, from the Wistia Video Marketing Report 2025, guides strategic content decisions by balancing short-term engagement with long-term viewer retention. Successful YouTube channels integrate shorts and long-form videos to build a robust content ecosystem. This strategy enhances audience growth and engagement by leveraging the strengths of each format. Shorts capture attention quickly, while long-form content deepens viewer connection, creating a comprehensive approach to content delivery. Utilize shorts as a funnel to long-form content by creating teaser clips that spark curiosity. End each short with a strong call to action, guiding viewers to the full video. Employ cross-promotion tactics like pinned comments and end screens. Batch produce content by filming one long video and clipping multiple shorts for consistent engagement. Ola Capinos, a beauty and lifestyle creator, exemplifies format integration. Her strategy includes daily shorts for quick tips and weekly long-form videos for in-depth tutorials. This approach led to an 847% subscriber increase and 12 million monthly short views, with a 68% conversion rate from shorts to full tutorials, showcasing effective audience engagement. Avoid common pitfalls by maintaining content alignment. Ensure shorts reflect the same topics, style, and brand voice as long-form content to prevent audience confusion. Drive active engagement by encouraging interaction through questions and polls. Monitor performance analytics to track shorts' impact on channel metrics, and optimize for discovery using strategic titles and compelling thumbnails. Ensure shorts align with your long-form content in topics, style, and brand voice to avoid audience confusion. Use consistent visual branding and tone. Encourage active engagement with questions and polls. Monitor analytics to track shorts' impact on channel metrics. Optimize discovery with strategic titles, trending keywords, and compelling thumbnails. Master the mix of shorts and long-form content for YouTube success in 2025. Capture attention with viral shorts and build trust with comprehensive long-form videos. Integrate both formats for maximum growth, loyalty, and return on investment. The future lies in their strategic interplay, transforming viewers into loyal subscribers and customers.